everything you'll ever need to know about Bayesian curls. Primary muscles are biceps brachii. Start by attaching a single handle to a cable machine set at about wrist height, not from the bottom. Why? If the cable pulls in the same direction as your arm, you lose tension and eliminate the stretch. Setting it higher keeps constant resistance and puts your bicep under tension even at full extension. Stand facing away from the machine and grab the handle with an underhand grip, and take one step forward with the same side foot. If you use the opposite foot, you'll fight unwanted torso rotation throughout the movement. The staggered stance keeps you stable and aligned with the cable. Brace your core and stand tall with chest out and shoulders down and back. Let the cable gently pull your elbow behind your torso. Move your arm as far back as you comfortably can without rounding your shoulders forward. This stretch sets the stage for maximum tension. From here, curl the handle towards your shoulder, keeping your elbow fixed in place. Don't let your elbow move forward. If it does, the weight is too heavy. This exercise isn't about load, it's about isolation and control. Make sure your elbow stays tucked in close to your ribs, no flaring out. At the top, pause and squeeze your biceps. Then lower slowly, taking 2 to 3 seconds to return to the stretched position. Do this toward the end of your workout. Go lighter and aim for 12 to 20 reps per side. And that's the perfect Bayesian curl. Now let's take a look at a few tweaks to try out. Number 1. Both arms at once. Once your form is locked in, try curling with a handle in each hand. Great for saving time. Number 2. Partial rep finisher. Once you hit failure with full ROM on your final set, perform 5 to 8 partial reps focusing only on the stretched position. And finally, let's address some common mistakes and how to fix them. Mistake number 1. Not using full range of motion. Cutting the curl short means leaving gains on the table. Instead, start with your arm fully stretched behind you and finish the rep by fully contracting the bicep with the hand near the shoulder. Mistake number 2. Leaning too far forward. This puts the cable in line with your arm, removing tension. Instead, stand or stagger with a slight forward lean, so the cable is pulling behind you. Mistake number 3. Doing them all at the same time. Which of these mistakes have you caught yourself doing? Drop a comment below and let me know. Check out these videos if you want to learn more. Until next time, verið sæl.